Good evening, everyone. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going over the setup of the new plug-and-play algorithm. I'm going to show you guys how the indicator exactly works, what you can do with it, and give you guys the tables so that you guys can run the strategy. I'll also go into ways that I will be improving on the order flow on the strategy that we have. But let's just get into it. You can set the indicator up as follows. You first want to go to the right layout on TradingView, right? You want to open up a fresh chart, maybe even remove that volume indicator at the bottom. Okay, just click on delete. You want to have an empty chart on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, make sure it's on that time frame. And here you can, of course, select the asset or the exchange that you'd like to trade that asset at. So in order to get the Bybit Ethereum USDT, you want to type ETH USDT.P. This will give you the Ethereum perpetual contract, okay, the Ethereum USDT perpetual contract. If you want to do backtesting or you want to use Binance as your signal provider or as your asset and exchange, then you want to type ETH USDT perp. Okay, so if you put the perp behind it, you pretty much get the Binance pair. So if I click this, it's the same thing, ETH USDT on the 15-minute chart. Make sure it's on there, and it's just the Binance exchange that's providing the data here. Okay, then you can go to indicators, to the invite-only indicators, and add the Genesis algorithm. Okay, so the Golden-Algo is will look something like this, and you won't have this annoying text. So it will more so look something like this, and maybe it will have some empty spaces. What you have to do is double click the indicator. You can also navigate here and then go to the settings icon, and when you're in the settings, you can see that I've selected preset to Ethereum 15-minute because this is the Ethereum chart. So there is only two settings that you really have to make a choice. And we're going for Ethereum preset 2 right now because this is not the Bitcoin chart. So there is only a setting for Bitcoin and one setting for Ethereum. At the moment, I've selected the Ethereum one. Okay, so you want to check this on your indicator as well. And the next thing you want to check is Saturday and Sunday. Okay, these are unchecked. When you start the indicator, you want to check them because we also trade on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, that's the only thing you want to do in the indicator. And now, what is the indicator about? You can see that it's a risk to reward based. So it has a fixed, not really fixed, but somewhat of a fixed stop loss and fixed profit target. And it's based on ATR, which is somewhat showing you how volatile a market is, how much price moves, and a lot of momentum. And momentum basically means that you're waiting for prices to move in a certain direction with a certain strength. Okay, so you can see a lot of MACD is being used, EMAs for the trends, VWAPs for the trends, but this is all not important for us, okay, because the group that's providing this indicator, they will make sure that they provide us with the best possible settings for the indicator. Okay, so if we just go for the presets, okay, then we make sure that they have already done the backtest and they found this the most profitable settings. And at the very bottom, you can see alerts. Okay, the alerts is what we want to focus on in this video because this is the thing that you guys have to fill in for yourself in order to make the bot send you the right alerts. And I've already done it here, and the annoying part about this is that it will start printing everything on your chart. Okay, so yeah, the chart will look very, very messy afterwards, but that's just how it is. It's not a big deal. We're not going to use the chart for a big reason anyway. So okay, so to go back to the indicator itself, as we kind of discussed in the last video, it's pretty much risk to reward. You enter right when the signal comes, and then you have an area where you basically do nothing and just wait to get stopped out, and you have an area you do nothing and just wait for your profit target. Okay, so actually this works like this entire area is useless, this entire area is useless because we entered here, this is our stop loss, this is our take profit. Okay, in this entire zone you're not doing anything. Okay, so I've changed that slightly with these two simple Ethereum strategies, and what they will do is basically they will enter, but they will also wait lower to make more entries, and they will also take partial take profits. Okay, so in cases that price doesn't reach your take profit directly, but kind of moves in this range before taking profit, you're already making gains on this part. Okay, and that's especially good when you're, of course, getting stopped out, but you've already locked in the profits for that. Okay, so that will be our approach, and guys, this will be something I'll be improving in the coming period. So I'll make these tables better and better. And like we discussed in our subscriber chat, I'll add market making algorithm to these. Yeah, like this, the LK Ethereum one, which is percentage based. I will lower all the amounts, but that's something we can get into later. First of all, let's show you guys how to set up basically the alert messages. So you have this document that you will be receiving in a second. I will send it in the Discord chat. And this has 6 different messages, webhook messages. As always, you want to paste your key in this part here for all 6 of them at the very end where it says key. You want to paste the password that you have for Genesis-Algo, which you have sent me in the DM, right? So paste those in here, and then you can basically copy and paste them into the indicator. And as I showed you just now, you can find this part at the very bottom of the indicator where it says open long, close long TP, close long stop loss. And of course, I've put them in order for you guys. So you just want to copy paste them, all 6 of them, over to these fields. Okay, make sure again to have your key in there. Okay, and if you have done that, you can pretty much click on OK, and it will print them on your chart, which is annoying, but okay. That part is done. The bot knows which of these tables to start and stop. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go and create an alert. Of course, as always, you click the bell, and you want to go for the Golden-Algo. Okay, and then you have your webhook URL, which you get from the bot, of course. So take your webhook URL, paste it in here, and alert name, you can just make up an alert name. So let's say testing alert name. Okay, and this section right here, you want to delete all of it. And I've put at the very bottom of this document that I will share with you guys, there is the alert message field. And you want to copy this little message here into the message field. Okay, and that's it. Your alerts are now ready. You can click on create, and all of the signals will be sent. That means that for example, in this case, if this imaginary trade that we're in, if price goes below the stop loss, a signal will be sent from TradingView to close all of your position and stop the bot. And if we cross the take profit level, the same thing, the bot will be stopped and profits will be taken from all the agents. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Wanted to give a little example, but I think that will take a little bit too long. So I had it running for a little bit, and I can show you guys like the idea is that you get about a 3.5x or 3x leverage position on cross leverage. Based on the signals that we're receiving, and I will improve this order flow and share different and better order flow with you guys for entries over time. But I think for now this is yeah, going to do pretty well. Let me know the results that you guys are having and any issues if you have any, and we'll try to improve everything and upgrade everything as we go. Yeah, I think this was it. I will be sharing the strategies right now in the chat, so let me do that actually. And if Discord doesn't lag, okay. There we go. Which channel is the most appropriate one? I would say instruction videos. And what we want to do is, let me open that document up. I saved it. This desktop. Okay, so here are the Ethereum bot messages. Okay, and then after I finish this, I will upload the video with it. Of course, we need the 2 tables as well, so let me get those out. File Explorer. Let's call it ETH V1. And as you guys know, I don't have a strategy for Bitcoin yet. I will have to create those. We'll do that as soon as possible. But let's start with these 2 first. simple eat short and simple eat long. Okay. Just double check if I did all of the naming things correctly. Give me 1 second, because if you start the bots, all of the names have to be corresponding to each other. So I want to name the tables in the right way so that you guys don't have to change anything there. And all right, perfect. So here is the Ethereum tables. Okay, so you have the alert messages, you have the indicator. The 4 people that asked for to be added to the indicator today, you have been added. So try to see if you can add the indicator to your charts. You have the tables here and you have the messages here. I'll upload this video. If there's questions, feel free to ask those. Like I said, the indicator is a momentum indicator, so you might end up not having a trade for an entire day or maybe 2 before anything happens. I'll see you guys in the next video when I upgrade the order flow and the entry agents and strategies. And yeah, see you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.